Serious accident जायत आसा and major losing lives, families are losing their loved ones. कशें पळयता seriousness sir? How is transport department looking onto this issue?
Uh, yeah, it is a concern basically. We have even analyzed some cases basically. Most of the accident, they are self-accident. Even one person was doused off while driving after maybe lack of sleeping. So people venture and I mean it is people have to be self-disciplined. Everybody from stakeholders side basically from 22nd of this month. Okay, 22nd May, we are starting those chalaning from these electronic cameras which are fitted at 15 locations under electronic enforcement, which is a new provision under the Motor Vehicle Act. So nearly 8-10 violations, such as overspeeding, rash driving, red light jumping, lane departures, without helmet, even without seat belt. Okay, this will be captured and challans will be sent electronically. Humanly, enforcement is becoming more challenging because of the number. Okay,
Number of what vehicles increased?
yeah, number of vehicles on the street, number of vis-a-vis the number of managing. We are becoming a very popular. We are becoming, which is a good thing, popular tourism destination.
पण ट्युरिस्ट यो म्हणल्यार आमचे लव्ड वन्स आसा ते वचप सर.
Because of this, definitely there is a demand for more number of.
But what is the solution to save lives sir?
I'm coming to that. Okay, we are a small state and equal तितकेच लोक हा तितकेच गाडी आसा रजिस्टर्ड हांगासर. Okay, about 60% are two-wheelers and scooters and bikes. In terms of transport infrastructure, okay, good roads, good paved roads are there everywhere. Okay, reasonably well maintained. Okay, yeah. You see the other place will come to know why I'm saying reasonably. 4-lane roads are coming, which has reducing the travel time. At the same time, because of that, now speed also is increasing. Driving speed.
What is the solution sir?
The solution lies with everyone basically. Enforcement, there is a limit up to you can even if you do full enforcement still such things are difficult to control. It depends on the other person also on the wheel. Okay, so I just mentioned the other group now was here. Driving cautiously, not to be in a hurry. Okay, is a solution. So I mentioned from 22nd we are starting this electronic enforcement.
No, but will that help electro challenging and all? Will that help?
It will help.
So when you challan how many days it will take to reach that person?
It's instant.
Instant.
Instant it is.
Instant.
Okay, SMS will go along with the link of a challan and he will be able to open.
No, why I asked? Because the tourist jump the signal, they do rash and driving, and tourists one day stay there, take, and next day they fly away.
No, very valid point you raised. Now entire driving license and registration of vehicle data is integrated.
Sir, so that issue म्हणटा पळय तो people are saving their losing their loved ones. Challenge issue केले, I can agree with that. पूण सद्याक तूं म्हणटा some people are self accident dozed off.
There
But हे कितें?
there are 4 components of road safety. Okay, there are 4 E's we call
So
it.
आमी कितें करूंक शकता? हांव जावं तूं जावं everybody is responsibility I can understand. कितें करूंक शकता आमी बाबा फाल्यां कोणाचो भुरगो कोणाचो जाणटो चेडूं लूज ना जावपाक ती. What we can do?
See, we have to take I'll come to this 4. I'll tell you in 2-3 minutes basically what are these 4 E's. Okay. First is engineering. Okay, that comes mainly about vehicle engineering as well as road engineering. Okay.
So there is a fault in vehicle and road engineering.
No, I'm not saying. Let me explain that.
Okay.
Straight away, the fault is that. No. Okay, so there is a concept called identification of causes of accident. Okay, after every fatality happens, inspection, the place is inspected and by police as well as PWD, technical person. And there is a concept called as black spots. Okay. black spots where accident occur frequently. There is a definition. So त्याचेर मागीर they come out with remedial measures. Okay. So we have there were almost entire black spots on the national highway have been removed. Almost because of this 4 laning from Patradevi, till Kankona and beyond that. सगळे vanish झाले. Okay, internal roads there could be, but these were the major ones on the highway. Black spots were the major causes. ते आता गेल्या.
So black spots पहिले major causes झाले.
So coming to engineering now, okay, road engineering. So हे तातून cover झाले. That happens continuously after every accident. Assessment is done. What was the cause basically? Whether it was a narrow road or whether something was obstructing that. So there could be hoardings. That was the cause. So those are taken care. Okay. There are some more remaining, because you require land there. Land acquisition issues are there. There are some houses and others but majority are being removed now. Okay. Internal roads, again, we have to. Some will be there, but highway where the maximum traffic was flowing, तो सगळे काढले.
So पण हायवे देखून तुम्ही सगळं काढले 4E's दाखवलं. आता तू
Coming to second E, enforcement, very very important. Like first one, second also is very important. Okay. Now enforcement, okay, as of till now it is manual enforcement. Okay. Nearly 700 policemen are in traffic cell. Okay. But major manpower is required for traffic management. Okay. Apart from that, they do enforcement of detection of violators and all. Okay. Relatively, we have a smaller number. We have about 12 people. Okay, for enforcement.
Only 12 people.
Only
So you need more people.
Manpower is required. At the same time, we are going into this electronic people-less enforcement. Okay, so we are working on both. Okay, definitely we are seeking some more manpower.
Okay. आणि चार म्हटलं तर दुसरं.
Third is driver licensing. Okay, that is त्यातून education आहे, road safety week and all whatever. Third E, education. Fourth is emergency response.
Sir, आम्ही पळयला की time and again see every now and then all this whatever you say is well and fine, सगळं enforcement सगळं असं. तरी पण do you feel that there is some fault of engineering on roads? Humps आसा आता ते देखून उलयला पळय. Because if you see the highway roads केल्या okay well and done, but are they well done with the way the vehicle has to be driven?
Yes, I'll answer that. There is something called an IRC, Indian Road Congress Code. It is built as per those standards. Those standards are specified. The entire work which is happening across the country, they are governed by those codes.
पण कोणी मारलो जाल्यार तो फुडली ता भायर वयता. आतां खंय वचो जाल्यार गाडी सकयल वयता आनी कितें जाली गाडी ते घोडाची गाडी पोंदाक वयता. आतां गाडयेचें इंजिनियरींग रोडाचें इंजिनियरींग
No, engineering दोन्ही येता. Okay, I'll come to vehicle engineering now. Vehicle engineering also has been evolved. What features are there? We were not there.
पयलींची ती बॉडी पूण गोट आसताली आतां ना.
There are so many. There are air crash bags. Safety features are being introduced in vehicles, even base level vehicles. That is first came safety belts, then there are airbags, then there are sensors. So this were never there. So it is improving your driving. It has made a difference.
So where the fault lies everywhere you say, is it only the fault of a human being who drives in a rash and negligent manner?
Statistically, yes. As per the data, more than 50% causes are human errors. Unfortunately, 50-60%, majority. Okay. तातून असा self accident. कोण पुढे दुसरी गाडीत ना. It's you only. You hit somebody. You hit a pole. You hit you go in a ditch. So
What would be your advice to common public of Goa?
we have to be cautious. Okay, don't leave early. Okay, don't be in a hurry. If you feel drowsy, don't drive. Okay, sometimes people work. Statistically, accidents happen in the evening. People when return home, the maximum time, peak time of the accidents is 6 to 9. That is the time people want to reach home early because people are tired. Minds are working all day, physically also. So So we think it is at night. No, it is not night. Okay. Now we have digitized the entire road accident investigation. So the integrated road accident database we are using for last 1 year since 1st February 22. Okay, now we have 1 year data which shows, which gives analytics like, even spot wise, like, on a whole map of Goa, like, it will show like these are the areas where, more there are severity of accidents.
Which are these? How many are like this? How many areas are like this identified?
It is all actually it is सगळीकडे तसेच जाते.
आणि या चडशे सांजचेच ऍक्सिडेंट जाता.
Accident happen, more accidents have happened in the evening 6 to 9.
6 to 9.
Where people return home.
तुम्ही आता पळयता न्हू ट्रॅफिक जसो वाडला आणि तुम्ही डिसिप्लीन कित्याक दवरिना म्हणजे आता बेजिकली 2 व्हिलर्स सुट्टा कामा वयले ते सगळ्या सायडीसून ड्रायव्ह करता ओवरटेक करतना एक्सिडंट जाता जाल्यार टू व्हिलरांक एकूच सायड कित्याक लेन दिना लेफ्ट हँड सायड मिडियम व्हेहिकलाक मिडल आनी हेवी व्हेहिकलाक अशी एक डिसिप्लीन लेन कित्याक करिना तुमी कित्याक ट्रॅफिकूय वाडलेलो आहा सगळेच धांवता तर 2 व्हिलर समज ती लेन क्रॉस केली जाल्यार फायन सो ओवरटेकिंग म्हणजे तांकां एक फॉलोअप कित्याक दिनाका म्हणटा
No, you are hitting the point now. Road with width is a challenge, and
No, where there is a road, why you don't apply there?
you require even in villages the flow of vehicles is so much. Actually, you require much wider road, but it is not there. So doni vaten gara asta. Practically, it is difficult.
Sir,
look at
ना खंय रोड आसा थंय म्हणटा हांव.
Now, wherever scope is there, road works. The roads are being already widened.
सर आनीक इशू आहा म्हणटा पळय तो आनीक इशू आहा म्हणटा पळय तो वॉट यू लायक टू से वी हॅव सीन पुलीस ऑफिशल्स युअर ट्रॅफिक पुलीस इशूईंग चॅलेंज ट्रॅफिक चड जाम जालें जाल्यार ते चॅलेंजूच दिता थिंगा पूण ते ट्रॅफिक फ्री फ्लो करपाक दिना वाय इट इज लायक दॅट आनी इट इज एट नंबर प्लेसीस लायक येस्टरडे ओनली वी सॉ इन नागासाई पुलीस ऑफिशल्स आहा पळय ते वो ट्रॅफिक तुमचे चॅलेंज दिता पूण ट्रॅफिक जॅम जाला ते सोडिना वाय इट इज लायक दॅट
The majority of traffic management is done by traffic police. only.
इवन दॅन पूण ते चॅलेंज इशू करता न्हू सर
This I'm not able to comment on.
But you have not seen it anywhere. It is everywhere, sir. आम्ही पळयला यू टेक इट ओल्ड गोवा
Enforcement is required.
एन्फोर्समेंट इज रिक्वायर्ड बट एट द सेम टाइम ट्रॅफिक फ्लो हॅज टू बी क्लियर नो
We
सर
have seen that much deal करीत न्ही suddenly number.
I totally
number
agree.
goes up. We have seen that in the past.
I totally agree.
पण परतो न्ही नो अरे चला.
No, I totally agree. तुम्ही एन्फोर्समेंट इज रिक्वायर्ड बट एट द सेम टाइम सर तुम्ही चॅलेंजूय दिया पूण ते ट्रॅफिक समज तूं जॅम जालें जाल्यार तुमच्या त्याच मनशांनी थिंगा ते फ्री फ्लो करपाक हेल्प करूंक जाय न्ही सर यू कॅनॉट ओनली चॅलेंज एट द सेम टाइम आनी थिंगा ट्रॅफिक जाम जावन सो वूड यू रिक्वेस्ट देम or urge them or tell them तुम्ही चॅलेंज दिया चॅलेंज दिया नो प्रॉब्लेम
Correct.
पूण चॅलेंज दिता आसतना
Make it-
ट्रॅफिक जाम जाता तुम्ही चॅलेंज दिता ट्रॅफिक जाम जावन सोडटा
That is more important.
कितलेच कळन सो हाऊ इट विल
Definitely, that is a priority. If there is.
तुम्ही
You agree with this what is going on?
I have not seen what you are saying.
But you have not seen it
there is a
anywhere?
Situation like there is traffic jam. Definitely.
But you have not come across anywhere
I
like
have not
this?
seen what you are saying.
सर सायनेज आहा न्हू ती तुमी करेक्शन कित्याक करिना फाटी हांवें एक व्हिडिओ घातलेलो 60 स्पीड आसा देंवतेरूच GMC कडेन थंय 30 आसूंक जाय 60 स्पिडीचेर देंवती देंवयता फुडल्यानूच स्पीड ब्रेकर आनी क्रॉसिंगूय आहा
So again, this is a part of road engineering.
थंय accident खूब जाता. खूब
So,
जाता.
so road engineering is bad.
I'm not saying bad. These are
No,
technical
signage.
people who arrive at the speed. Okay, based on that ISO.
ना तुमीच दिला न्हू
So
60-60चेर
तो
वचपाचें
तुमकां इन्फॉर्म करता सर 30 आहा ते 60 आहा ते 30 आमकां कोण सांगतले तुमी सांगूंक जाय न्हू आतां तो तुमचे नोदरेक हाडटा
The slope it is 60.
या
मग रोड
60
इंजिनियर
बरयला
I will check
आनी
this.
सारको जस्ट 500 सुद्दां
Exactly
मिटर्स
where
ना
is it?
स्पीड ब्रेकर आहा आनी क्रॉसिंग आसा आनी थंय एक्सिडंट खूब जाता हांवें व्हिडिओ सुद्दां काडून घातलेलो
Sir.
सोशल एक्टिविस्ट तारा केरकरानूय हायलायट केलेले तरी आसतना ते 60चो स्पीड
Should
30
be
सुद्दां
reduced,
जावना
you're saying.
या
Definitely
इट शुड बी
it is.
रिड्यूस
तुमी सांगा आमकां तो
देंवतेक म्हणटा
आमकां गमना सर तो देंवतेर कितली स्पीड आसपाक जाय तो म्हणटा 30 आहा ती 60 आहा सो 60 आसपाक जाय
I will
थिंगा
have
30
to
आसपाक जाय
reconfirm
तुमी
what
सांगा
you're
आमकां
saying.
न्हू
कोणाक तरी धाडून पळोवचें पडटलें.
सर चॅलेंज मागता ते तुमचे ऑफिशियल्स आसता सगळे पुलीस आसता आनी ते हें पळोवंक जायना चॅलेंज मारूंक पळोवंक
See,
आमकां
म्हणजे that will be on some scientific basis only. असे काढले आणि 60 घातले तसे
Ah, so
असणार
तुम्ही
नाही.
मानता सारखे आहा, जाल्यार okay.
Yeah, it will be. It is on a. it will
So
be-
ना
तुम्ही
सर तुम्ही
सांगे म्हणतालो.
स्पेशली वचात न्हू
But there could be.
सारकी देंवती
there
60
could be
बरयला
some practical difficulties.
No,
because
if you agree, then it's okay for us.
No, but
Because you know it
it
very
is
well.
not random. It is on certain parameters. The limits of it.
सर हांव नपो तें हांव गिन्यानी इफ यू आर टेलिंग मी आय एम ओके विथ दॅट
Yes.
तें सांगता तुका आमी
Okay.
आनी एक म्हणटा ती लास्ट खबर म्हणटा पळय ती आतां पेन्जीम स्मार्ट सिटी काम जालें लास्ट इन द पास्ट फ्यू डेज ऑलमोस्ट 8 टँकर्स केव्ड इन जाले 8 टँकर्स व्हेकल्स ते आतां खंयचे कोणें गेलो फोनकुलान ते टँकर पडटा आनी खंय गेले टँकर पडटा आनी गाडयो कितें वॉट इज दीस हांगा इंजिनियरींग कितें आसा रोड इंजिनियरींग सारकें वो तुमच्यो गाडयो सारक्यो ना खंय रेजिस्टर्ड आहा त्यो
When a work is awarded, there are the contractor who is executing work, he has roles and responsibilities. He should have a field marshal, he should regulate the traffic, he should see that people don't venture into risky areas.
You agree, no? Such things have happened.
Yeah, it has happened, you know. So, Sarke, they should channelize the traffic properly, which is required for
Transport
work.
department has the responsibility kind of, sir.
These are work sites.
So work site, but तुमची गाडी वयता न्हू these are registered vehicles. Registered vehicle caved in जाल्या.
Work site also that even on the highways when the work is assigned, like basically there is a checklist what you should do, you should understand.
Sir, पण तुम्ही फाल्यां registered vehicle कितें जाय who is responsible?
Work side actually vehicles should not be allowed. If it is allowed, you know, due caution has to be taken in terms of proper manning. There should be a there is one person called as
8 vehicles almost 8 पासून धरी जाल्या 8 टँकर जाल्या water tanker. You must be aware
some
about this.
coordination issues.
So this is so that means work site contractors are doing something wrong.
Contractors has to ensure that it is the responsibility of contractors.
So
Yeah.
Panjim Smart City is a total failure.
I am not saying that.
Panjim Smart City तर contractor नसतं.
I am not saying that.
Panjim Smart Cityचे contractor नसतं. समवेअर वर्क चालता सारकें ना त्या गाडी आसा सगळ्यांची गाडी वयता केप इन कालूय जालें
It is a big work also, you know. Yeah, so each
कायच्या काय
contractor
करप
has
सर
to-
काम
contractor has to be more cautious.